Hey everybody! Today we're going to talk about how to help you to improve your studio shots image when you cut in those backdrops on your image. So today I'm going to show you how easily and quick we can fix it in Adobe Photoshop. Hey everybody! My name is Nikolenko. I'm doing photography, and today I'm going to help you improve your images using Adobe Photoshop. So as you know, when you're doing a studio shot, you might get some images of your backdrops with the edges when you're trying to get a full image. And it doesn't mean it happen often, but sometimes you do and you really like your image and you want to improve it. So I'm going to actually explain you and how easily we can improve it on Adobe Photoshop. So let's move to our Photoshop. We have this our image and our beautiful model here with our beautiful wings. This picture done by me, and I want to show you we actually have some of the backdrops here in the corner, and we accidentally have it, but because the wings are actually was really wide on the picture frame, and we want to capture the most of the wings, so we actually capture all the wings. So we want to help you and show you if you have that problem that you capture a backdrop and we want to fix it. It's actually not that hard. So let's just duplicate our layer. Okay, I'm just duplicate this image twice, and I'm gonna show you how easily we can do it. Now if you go here on your left side, so we're gonna use lasso or polygonal lasso tool, and just press L in your keyboard and it's gonna work it out for you. Then what you're basically gonna do, you're just gonna select your layer, and let's do Control plus so we can zoom in, Shift, we can easily move our image, and just we're gonna make a selection so we don't move our wings. We want to keep the wings. Now the background, you can leave the background, it's still fine, just I don't want to get the wings in my shot. Okay, now we're just gonna go Control minus, and we can go back to P, Shift to move it, go up, and then when you go all the way, when you start doing the lasso, you're just gonna close it. And what happened now, you make your whole selection image. Now when you have the whole selection image, now let's go to the same image, we do a duplicated one. Okay, remember you stay on that one. Now it's very easy, you're just gonna right click and you go down, you go fill, and make sure you actually select the content aware. Okay, don't pick color, backdrop color, just do content aware. It's gonna automatically fix it for you what Photoshop see from the image calibration. So just leave it on a color updation mode, normal, 100% opacity, and press OK. And when you're gonna do, just wait for it. It's gonna fix it for you automatically, the whole image. Now what you can see here, it's a little bit buggy, but it's still okay. So you can see it did a great job duplicating the brown color, but the wings still actually noticeable. So we can easily fix it again, like we use again L key, formula cell, go back. Well, if you like it, you can always leave it, whatever you guys like to. And we can do our selection again, pick the wings, and then you can use same thing, fill, correct the well, wait for it. If it doesn't fix it, you can go back to stamp tool. I like the stamp tool, so press S and you get a stamp tool. It's actually all located right here. If nobody know how the stamp tool works, it's actually pretty amazing. If you press Alt, and if you're using Mac, you can press Alt and Mac and select any color area that you wanna duplicate it. So let's say I pick this area of my background. What happened, you can see it's already on my stamp tool. So what happened, I can just move it, and you can see on above when it's the plus line, it shows you where it's actually duplicating the image. So let's say what now, it looks too dark, so let's just take something a little bit brighter, look at like something matching to the same color we got, and we're gonna go doing the same thing over it and over it until we're done. And just press M and you already have it all fixed. And here we have a little bit of a layer, so just go a little bit above and it's easily fixed. And we're just gonna continue doing the same thing over. And if you actually want, you can actually load the opacity of the stem tool to make it nice, more realistic on the picture. And we got it all nicely covered, and same thing here. Let's put the L. Now we can do fill. And a nice, beautifully filled for us. Same thing here. Fill. And we're done. It was very quick. So guys, let's see before and after. Before and after. You see we did a great job. If you guys want to improve it, make it look better, but it's up to you. This is just like example for this tutorial, so you can understand how easily and quick we can fix it in Adobe Photoshop without any difficult problems. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you have any question below, don't forget to put comments down below this video. And please subscribe my channel and support me so I can get more contents. My name is Nikomenko Photography. Find me on Instagram, Facebook, and all other platforms. You can find the link down below this video. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and stay tuned for the next video, more to come.